outfit. I like it. You look good down there in the all gold. You look great. The friend filming you, I love it too. Santa's helper, you look great. Beautiful outfit. I love it.
That's it, boat horns. Hello, everyone.
Oh, Jack, remember I told you, look up on the balconies. Look up on the high on the balconies.
Hey, Jack Wagner here. Merry Christmas.
If you're on the balcony, put a cell phone up with a light on. We gotta see you up there. Put that cell phone light on. Light up your building. Show us you're up there. There we go. Put that flashlight on. Wave it side to side. Come on. Hang on a sec.
Set boat over here.
They got their lights on. They got their flashlights on. Light up those balconies. Look at them.
Hey guys, look like stars. Jack Wagner here. Merry Christmas. Happy Winterfest Parade.
General Hospital fans. Where are you at, General Hospital fans? Bellows. Turn the lights up. No, just a little bright. We got the house coming up. What house we got, Jack?
Shanahan House. Over here.
Hey, what's up, guys? Good to see you.
Happy Winterfest Parade.
Who's the biggest partier on your boat? Who's the biggest partier on your boat? That one? Who's the biggest partier? Yeah, he's like I'm on a third Johnny Walker. Watch out. We're just getting started. Hey guys, good to see you guys. Hello.
Shanahan House.
Look at that crowd on the river.